you think about the reality of it, right? Fia has a net worth now, we saw online, over $1 million. So, well, I think it was closer to 2 million. But my point is, I haven't seen that bank account yet. I want to know where that is. Lindsay's supposed to have $1 million. I'm supposed to have $1 million. Where's that million? I want that. You follow what I'm saying? So, I know we got into a different subject, but it's a good subject and a good understanding for people who are growing entrepreneurs. Don't get caught up in these cliches when you're building a business. For me, it looks good for us, for the companies to look at us and see that we're projected close to $2 million. It looks good and it sounds good, and it may make the bank open up a wallet if we want to ever take out a loan, which I hope we never have to do. And my plan is that we won't. But my point is, it's not in my hand. And I can't walk in the bank and say, okay, I'm going to do a withdrawal, of 500,000 today because that's mine. Because he was worth 2.5 bill, he could go somewhere else and say, I want to do a deal based on that worth. And people will cut him a check or give him the finances to do some things that are worth a certain amount. So a lot of it is loan. And a lot of these wealthy people live off of one loan, paying off, they say, borrowing from Peter to pay Paul. A lot of these transactions are not cash. And you can't walk into any bank, local bank, and say, I need $500,000 cash. Can you hand that to me? They show you that kind of stuff on TV and stuff, but that's a joke. The average bank, you walk into and ask them, can I have $1 million? They are not giving you $1 million. They don't even have it in the bank to give it to you because they're using your money to make more money. And that money is already loaned out and borrowed out and all kind of other stuff. And how do you think that person, or when you apply for that loan for $50,000 or $400,000 to get that house, whose money you think they're using? The other people who deposited it. So that money is not sitting in the bank. See, these are kind of things that as an entrepreneur, you should know. This wasn't what's supposed to be the conversation today, but it's important that you understand these kind of things. The banking system is taking your money and using your money to invest it and giving you a very horrible interest rate on the investments that they're making with your money.